welcome back to math class. Up to now, we have practiced many concepts like writing the number name of 4-digit numbers, expanded form, standard form, face values, how to round up the numbers to the nearest tens and even odd numbers, and also we have learned Roman numerals, isn't it? Now we will recall all the concepts with the help of quick drill. Look at the quick drill. First Roman, choose the correct option. Here choose the correct option means they will give for each questions 4 options as answers. You have to select which will be the correct option. Okay. Now look at the first one. An odd number among the following is, look at the options. First one, 8,432, 2,233, 4,342, 602. These are the 4 options. Children, we have learnt even numbers and odd numbers. The numbers which can be paired is known as even number. Otherwise, the digit in the ones place should be either 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. Then that number is even number. Then what will be the odd number? The digit in the ones place is either 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. So here we need odd number. Now see, first number, what does digit in the ones place? 2. Is it a odd number? No. Next go to the next number. What is the digit in ones place? 3. So it is odd number. Then what will be the option for us? Yes, B. Now before writing the option, once see the remaining 2 numbers. Yes. Are they even numbers or odd numbers? Very good. They are even numbers. So our answer is option B. Now look at the next number. The face value of 8. The face value of 8 in 4,381 is. Here which value you want to find? Face value. Face value is nothing but digit itself. Face value is nothing but digit itself. So here which digit face value you need? 8. Then what will be the face value? 8. Then which will be the option here? Very good. Option C. Write the option C in the bracket. Now look at the next one. The place value of 3. Place value of 3 in 3,262. Here, are you finding the face value or place value? Place value. So you have to see the given digit 3 is in which place? Which place? Thousands place. Then the place value is 3,000. Then which will be the option? Very good. Option A is correct. Understood? Yes. Now we are going to the second room. Fill in the blanks. Look at the first one. The letters I, X, C and M can be repeated up to a maximum of dash times only. What are these letters, children? Yes, these are Roman numerals. We have learnt how to form the Roman numerals by following the rules. What the rule 1 tells us? The symbols I, X, C and M can be repeated up to maximum of 3 times. So what will be in the blank? 3. Good. Now look at the next one. An example of even number is. An example of even number is. Here you can take any one even number. For example, I am taking the number 2494. Is it even or odd? Yes, it is even. How can you say? Very good. The digit in the ones place is 4. So it is even number. Like that, you can write your own answer. Now look at the next one. The face value of 0 is always. The face value of 0 is always 0. Very good. Next one. Standard form of 3000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 2. Here which form they given? Expanded form. Now you want to write the standard form. Whenever you are writing the standard form, you have to take the help of places. Here which is the higher place? 1000. 1000 right side, hundreds, then write tens and then ones. Then which digit can we write in thousands place? Good. 3. Hundreds place? 2. Tens place? 3. Very good. Then the ones place? 2. What will be the number here? 3232. Very good. Got it, children? Yes. Now we are going to the next Roman. See here, what is the next? True or false? True or false? If the given statement is correct, you should write true. If the given statement is false, then you have to write false. Then see first one. What do we call that? Yes, spike abacus. Here the number is represented with the help of abacus. See, how many places are here? 4 places. What will be the number? In ones place, how many beads are there? 2 beads. Tens place, 4 beads. Hundreds place, no beads. No beads means 0. Then the thousands place, 2. What will be the number? 2042. They also has given 2042. So is it right or wrong? Yes, it is correct. Then is it true or false? Good. True. Now look at the next one. The place value of 9 in 6938 is 9. Place value of 9 in the given number. 9 in which place? Hundreds place. So the place value is 900, but they given 9. Is it true or false? Very good. It is false. Now look at the third one. When we round off 9639 to the nearest tens, we get 9640. Is it true or false? Here you are taking the rounding value to nearest tens. Then you should consider the digit in ones place. What is the digit in ones place? 9. Is it above 5 or below 5? Above 5. Then we have to take the next higher tens. Means 9640. So it is true. Now look at the next one. 10 into 100 ones are equal to 100 tens. 10 into 100 ones are equal to 100 tens. 100 ones make 100. 10 into 100, 1000. The other side, 100 tens means 100 into 10. Then how much value? 1000. So here both are equal. Then what do we say? Yes, it is true. Got it, children? Yes. Now look at the next Roman. Match the following. Match the following. Here two groups are there. First we will look into the group A. First one. 999 plus 1. Next one, 8000 plus 50 plus 7. Next one, 9683, 8974, 3816, 1796 are in. How the numbers are arranged here? Yes, the numbers are arranged from big number to small number. Next one, LXXIV. What is this? Yes, this is in Roman numerals. Then you have to find the value in Hindu Arabic numeral. Good. Next one, the predecessor of 8057. Now look at the other group. A, descending order. Second one, 74. Third one, 1000. And next one, 8056. And the last one, 8057. These are the two groups values. Now you have to match from the group A to group B, which will be the correct one. Now see, 999 is the greatest 3-digit number. If you add 1 to the greatest 3-digit number, what number will you get? Very good, 1000. So which will be the option here? C. Good, write down C. Now go to the next number. What they have given? Expanded form. Then you should write standard form. Then what will be the numeral of 8000 plus 50 plus 7? 1057. Then which will be the option? Option E. Write down second one beside option E. Now look at the next one. Here how the numbers are arranged? Big to small number. From big number to small number. Then which order is it? Very good. Descending order. Then which letter I should write in the bracket? A. Very good. Now look at the next one. L. L for 50. And next the smaller symbol is right to the greater numeral. Then add the values. Then the value of LXXIV is very good 74. Then which will be the option? Option B. Now look at the last one. Predecessor of 8057. What will be the predecessor? 8056. Got it, children? Yes. So this is the quick drill of entire chapter which we have learned in these sessions, right? Children, up to now we have practiced the quick drill. Now look at the worksheet. You should answer these. Look at the first one. Unlock the locks by matching them with the correct key. Here you can find some locks and keys. What are on the locks? Yes, they have given some clues. And down in the box, what are there? Numbers with the keys. Numbers with the keys. You have to match the keys with the correct lock. Then you can open the lock. Children, see now. Look at the first lock. What was on the first lock? A number with 9 thousands. And second one, a number with 2 tens. Next, a number with 6 hundreds. Next, a number with 5 ones. And the last one is having a number with 4 hundreds, right? Now, down some keys are there. How many are there? 5 keys are there. With which key you can open the lock? You can find it. Look at the first one. A number with 9,000. Down the keys are having some numbers. Look at the first one. 1,610. 2,745. 8,401. 9,160. 4,521. Now see, our first lock is having a number with 9,000. And out of these 5 keys, which key is having the number which is having 9,000? Very good. The number key 9,160. So match it. Match with the first one. Now look at the second one. A number with 2 tens. Out of 4 numbers, which number key is having 2 in tens place? Good. 4,521. Now match the key with second lock as 4,521. Now look at the next number. A number with 600. 6 hundreds. In the remaining 3 numbers, which key is having the number in hundreds place, the digit 6? Which number? Good. The first key, 1,610. Now complete the remaining 2. Now it's time for you. You have to complete the remaining 2. Match the number key with the number which is having in the ones place 5. Good. Next one, a number with 4 hundreds. Did you match? What will be the key for fourth one? Yes, 2,745. And then next one, 8,401. Very good. So, did you understand, children? Yes. Now look at the next one. Arrange the given number of beads in descending order. You can observe different colors of beads in 5 boxes. Yes. See, first one. Violet color. How many beads are there? 9,863. Next, green color. How many are there? 1,037. Next, blue color. How many are there? 3,368 beads are there. And next, orange color. 3,386. And then next, purple. How many are there? 1,307. Now, here you need to arrange the number of beads in descending order. Descending means big number to small number. Now, identify which will be the big number and write down in descending order. Yes, come on, start. Very good. Oh, you are writing. Good. Remember, you have to write in descending order. Descending order. From big number to small number. Very good. Completed. Good. Now check your answer. Here, out of all the 5 color beads, which will be the more number of beads? 9,863. Next, which number is more? Either blue color or orange color. Good. Orange color. 3,386. After 3,368. Then, yes, purple. 1,307. And the last number is 1,037. Understood? Very good. Did you get correct answer? Very good. You all are good children. Now look at the last one. Here, what do you find in the image? Yes, a line. It is sitting aside. And the other side, what it is there? Cub. Cub means the baby lion. See, help the mother lion to reach its cub by coloring the path of Roman numerals. Coloring the path of Roman numerals. You have to do by your own. But here you should help the mother lion to reach its cub. But what you need to follow here? Middle, the path you have to choose with Roman numerals. See, first one. Where, from which letter onwards it can start? Good. L, X, I. Next. Can it go for B? Do we have the symbol B in Roman numerals? No. Then, yes, M. After C. Next, I. Then, D. Next, shall I go right? No. Why? Yes, we didn't have the symbol in Roman numerals. Then which side? Down. Which letter? L. Then right. Which letter? V. And then I. After, shall I go right? No. Why? Yes, we have T letter here. But do we have T letter in Roman numerals? No. Then I onwards, down. Which letter comes? M. After I. The mother line reached to the cub. The mother line reached its cub. They both felt very happy. Got it, children? Children, up to now, we have practiced the quick drill and worksheet on the chapter 1. What is the chapter 1? Yes, 4-digit numbers. Right? Good. Again, we'll meet in the next session. Thank you.